Welcome to solverfy.
Hello students, in this question it is given that a company prices the tornado insurance using the following assumptions, and it is assuming that in any calendar year there will be at most one tornado. So one tornado every year, and there will be in a calendar year the probability of the tornado is 0.15. So the probability of tornado is 0.15, and the number of tornadoes in any calendar, it is independent of the number of tornado in any of the other year. It is also given, and using the above assumptions we have to calculate the probability that are fewer than 4 tornadoes in 24-year period. So the probability that there are fewer than 4 tornadoes in a 24-year period. So for this, we are taking binomial distribution with the parameter n is equal to 24 and probability p is equal to 0.15. So with this, we are going to take the probability distribution, and it is given by px is equal to x is equal to n into c of x into p power x into 1 minus p to the power n minus x. So we know that n is equal to 24 and p is equal to 0.5. We will be finally obtaining the value as probability fewer than 4 tornadoes. Probability of fewer than 4 tornadoes is equal to, can be represented as px, that is, it is capital X less than 4.